Hi, my name is Stacy with WTI. Every chef needs to have one of these tools. Do you know what it is? Yes, it's a little baby lemon zester. For years, I've only used a knife and really struggled, and it was time to just go for it. And I love this little one from KITCHENDAO. What's really cool is that not only does it zest really good, but you can also get some great peels of full lemon just by reversing it and going backwards. So you get these long strings if you need it for boiling some tea, whatever you need it for, this little baby tool gets it done. What's really cool is that this is a silicone grip, and so it's really easy to keep control out of how you're zesting your lemons, and it has the double-sided blade where you can make those strips and do the zesting right at the end. I was testing it out earlier and I absolutely love it. Super happy that I finally went for it and got the proper tool to get the job done when I need lemon zest in my recipes. And that's my point of view.